In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Venice AI. To get started, open Venice AI in your web browser or launch the mobile app if you prefer using it on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the platform, you can sign in to your account if you already have one. If you're just trying it out, Venice also offers basic free usage without requiring you to create an account, which is helpful if you want to explore the interface first. After you're inside, begin by starting a new chat. This gives you a fresh workspace so you can enter a new request clearly and keep your conversation organized. If the platform shows multiple AI models, take a moment to choose the one that best fits what you want to do. Some models may be better for advanced reasoning, while others may support features like web search, so picking the right model can improve the results you get. Next, type a clear prompt describing exactly what you want Venice AI to help you with. The more specific your request is, the better the output will usually be. For example, you can ask it to write an article, summarize a document, generate code, answer a question, or create an image. If your request is complex, it helps to include details like tone, format, length, or any important instructions so the response is closer to what you need on the first try. Once your prompt is ready, press enter or click send. Venice AI will process your request and generate a response. When the answer appears, read through it carefully and decide whether it gives you what you need. If not, you can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions, requesting revisions, or clarifying your instructions. This is one of the most useful parts of working with AI because you can refine the results step by step instead of starting over every time. If the response is useful, you can copy it, save it, or share it depending on your workflow. This makes it easy to move the content into a document, project, message, or presentation. There are also a couple of optional features worth knowing about. If you need current or real-time information, you can enable web search instead of relying only on the model's built-in knowledge. And if you plan to use Venice AI more heavily, you can upgrade to Pro for access to features like unlimited text prompts, higher image limits, document uploads, custom system prompts, and other advanced tools. And that's how to use Venice AI effectively, whether you're keeping it simple or taking advantage of its more powerful features.